long can humans survive in this universe? We can survive as long as we have a source of energy. But as we all know, one day the universe will die. It's not gonna happen shortly though. This will take billions and billions of years. If we compare our sun to the universal timescale, it will be gone in no time. Luckily, we might still have some chances. There are places in the universe that can exist forever from the human perspective, white dwarfs or corpses of the dead stars. White dwarfs can potentially be the last home of humanity right before the end of the universe. What do we know about these strange things and what's going to happen when the white dwarfs finally die? Formation of white dwarfs. When stars like our Sun have used up all of their fuel, what is left are white dwarfs. Low and medium-sized stars after their death will evolve into white dwarfs. A low or medium-sized star with a mass less than roughly 8 times that of the Sun will eventually turn into a white dwarf, according to NASA. Researchers have estimated that roughly 97% of the stars in our Milky Way galaxy will eventually turn into white dwarfs. What will remain as the corpse of dead stars, that is, white dwarfs, will have a diameter of the size of the Earth. The size of the white dwarfs might be small, but the mass would still be around half of what it used to be. Therefore, it is extremely dense with a surface gravity 100,000 times higher than that of Earth. The question that remains would be, can these white dwarfs be used as an energy source for humanity? Firstly, when a star dies, it has a high chance of destroying the planets within its proximity. Thus, it already decreases the chances of life that can evolve surrounding it. If we take Earth, for example, it would have to orbit Sun around 75 times closer than it did before to have any liquid water on the planet. This is because of the small size of the white dwarfs. This closer proximity would have some upsides and downsides. For starters, the planet will be locked in a permanent day and permanent night. Life might be possible at the edges of these day and night zones. The good news being white dwarfs are speculated to have a much more stable energy output than red dwarfs, so this would be much safer for life forms. If we had the right conditions with a white dwarf, we could build a home for billions of years to come. What will happen when white dwarfs transform into black dwarfs? According to the estimates, white dwarfs might be able to shine for 100 billion years. This is 10 billion times longer than the universe itself has existed. After this long time into the future, regular stars will stop shining and the galaxies themselves will be evaporated. Only then, the first black dwarf will be formed from a white dwarf. Black dwarfs will dim the last signs of hope in the universe. They will have no energy left in them but can easily kill anyone that tries to get close to it. The universe will become so cold that it will result in the coldest possible temperature, so dark that it will become practically invincible. With this, the universe will have entered heat death, which is the last stage of the universe. Black dwarfs and black holes will be scattered in the universe, resulting in a cold and dark graveyard. We have no reason to worry about what can happen after 1 trillion years in the future because we have all the time to stare at the night sky and admire the stars in all of their glory. We can dream of visiting other star systems and exoplanets while we are alive. So, keep exploring and have a curious mind. Don't forget to leave a like while you are at it.